Where's your wife? Oh. Devil is a liar. You are in the fry pan because of this wife. The devil is fighting like never before. He wants to destroy the property. He wants to destroy the money. He wants to destroy everything.
Bring my phone. 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 Bring my phone inside the jacket. Bring my phone. Help me out, Prophet. I come all the way from Pretoria. I knew you'd help me. My aunt told me that you're going to help me. She's in London. She once came here for an international visitors program. Please, Prophet. Yeah, I've got a divorce settlement. I just came and my wife is divorcing me for no reason. Help me out, man of God. It's for the second time. Today I'm finished. I no longer have the strength to pray. It's for the second time. It happened 2018 and God saved me. Please, Prophet.
The reason why I say, where is your wife? I see you having a ring, but I don't see a wife closer to you.
She's already
I see the papers of divorce. I see this woman running away from you. I see her want to claim whatever thing that you have.
She's taking the fertile of our marriage. 10 years we've worked, so God has blessed us. She wants to take everything. She's giving me the skorokoros. She's taking the Range Rovers. She's giving me the skorokoros.
I don't know you, brother.
Yes, Prophet. It's my first time here, Prophet. It's my first time, Prophet.
I don't know you.
It's my first time. This is my first time.
Today I said,
don't forget my brother. I'm with my brother here. He's also going through some tough times. Don't forget him.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Please, Prophet.
There is a spirit, there is a beast from the Indian Ocean that entered.
Yes. 2 weeks ago they went to do some Mahlozi thing back in the Eastern Cape and they were sleeping by the river.
It's a beast from the water.
They were sleeping by the river. They were sleeping by the river. They were sleeping by the river, Prophet. When she came back, she was completely different. She was sleeping by the river.
This is the beast that is destroying our marriage. She's not normal. Now.
Yes.
Now she's not normal.
She's not normal.
Never.
She's not. Each and every time I said I love her, she keeps quiet. When I say good morning, she will respond. I spoke to my brother.
Can we send the fire in Europe to ban this nonsense? Can we send the fire for her to be normal? Where she is? Can we destroy the power of darkness?
Please, Prophet.
Oh God.
You are my last hope. You must last. Next week I'm supposed to see the divorce mediator. You're my last hope. I said I will not see her up until I come to you. I know you can reverse and cancel everything. I know you can do it, Prophet.
I see where this thing started. I see the beast from Indian Ocean. It comes with the water. It connected with your wife through the ritual.
She did. Talk, please now. Also talk. Please.
Indeed, it's so.
Yes, talk.
Indeed.
I see her in the water.
She did the ritual.
I see the beast coming from Indian Ocean, walking.
I'm also guilty, Prophet, because I supported her to do it. Even though I don't believe in those things, but I support her to do it. I'm also guilty.
It's where the marriage gone wrong. Leave her.
Please, Prophet.
Now, anyone it turned against you, you are not shining anymore. No one is willing to help you. Even in the family of that woman, they don't want to hear anything about you
I'm
anymore.
rejected by everyone. It's only my aunt who came here who's embracing me. It's only my aunt who came here who's embracing me. Everyone, they've rejected me. Even let me keep quiet.
All right. Want to give you the solution?
Yes, Prophet.
You will tell them in Pretoria.
Yes, Prophet.
That there is another young lion in Limpopo called the Prophet VC Zitha. He reversed everything.
Please, Prophet.
Devil is a liar.
Please, Prophet.
I don't know why I prophesy, because I don't want to prophesy.
Please, Prophet, prophesy. This is my only time. Prophet, this is my only time. Prophesy, Prophet.
Okay, raise your hands.
And deliver me. I also need deliverance, Prophet. I need a huge deliverance, please. My business is stuck. Appointment letters, they are blocked. Other appointment letters, they withdraw them. My money just goes. Prophet, please, I don't want you to talk a lot. I've provoked God. I've done everything that I could do in the face of the Lord. I did everything, but the Lord was using me. It's not me.
All right. Take off your shoe. Go to the mountain and sleep, then cry. I will see you when I come back. What are you doing here? To a marriage, what are you doing? What are you doing to his marriage? To his marriage, what are you doing? You enter them. You want a divorce? You want a divorce? Why? Why want a divorce? What are you doing to a wife? To a wife, what are you doing? To her marriage, to his marriage, what are you doing? You block. To the business, what are you doing? What are you doing to the business? Tell what nonsense. I cancel you. I cancel you. Get out. Leave the marriage. Out. Jesus' mighty name. I touch your wife to be normal. Let her be normal. And you be normal. In Jesus' mighty name. It is done.